Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day this is January this is January 20th or 19th. Sorry, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this bonus question. So as usual, I'm doing an extra bonus question for today, just like getting my premiums worth, even though they've been coming up not premium lately. Um but yeah, just kind of doing that way. And today I'm doing it before the actual daily problem, just so that I don't know, because I'm at home and I have energies, and I'm like, oh, actually, I don't need to wait till later to do the bonus one. I just do it now. So that's what I'm doing now. All right. So today's problem is, and again, not a premium question, so you can't do it with me. The RNG is biased or something. Uh, the problem is 900 RLE iterator. We can use one length encoding, okay. RE, okay. A8, I mean, we know what. I know what. And though I guess Leetcode can be weird. Can zone. I guess. Oh, there's some weird encoding ones. Okay, fine. My table started vibrating for some reason, so I was just looking around to see if I did something. I don't think plugged in anything. Yeah, it's very weird. Okay. Anyway, so given one design iterator that iterates for it. Okay. So basically, you're given the actual iterator thing, and then you just keep on getting next. What is the input for next? The next. Okay. All right, fine. Yeah, I don't know if there's any really funky. I mean, I don't know if there's anything really tricky about this one. I think it's just about keeping track. So, maybe I could do something like this. I think that this being Python, I think there's like a group E function in. Oops. There's probably a group function in Iterator that just groups them together for me. But actually, you know what? I'm going to try to learn. So, group. It's not group by, but it's like chain now. It's like the one where, like, for every two objects or something like this. I slice. No. Pairwise. No, that's not it either. Star map. No. Grouper. So there's a grouper function, but you have to implement it. So that's a little bit awkward. Okay, fine. I guess we'll just do it this way then. So yeah, so for I in range of from 0 to n on count of 2, right? So we have the 1, and then the num, maybe just x is equal to encoding of I plus 1, right? And then maybe we just put in a q. What do we put in a q? Q dot append just 1 and x, and that's it, right? And then here, maybe we the end thing is a little bit weird, but maybe we can just get next or something. Yeah, so for x is you go get next, maybe, or self dot get next, and at the end return x, right? Something like that, maybe. And then we just do it one at a time, because why not? And basically it is q dot pop left is equal to the 1, and x is equal to this, right? And then yeah, we want to return x at some point. Well, we have to also do something like safety check. If q is equal to 0, then return -1, and before that we do while length of q is greater than 0. And I want to say something like this. It looks a little bit yucky. Maybe I could have yeah, is equal to 0, then q dot pop left. Basically, if the 1 is 0, then we just pop left to remove it, because we don't do it anymore. Okay, right. Otherwise, now there is at least one item and one is not 0. So then here we put back q dot append left 1 minus 1 x, and I think that should be good. Oh, huh. I'm a little bit silly. It should be self.q, obviously. Forgot that. Change context to OOP. I missed one spot. Yep. And this other spot too. Okay, so that looks good. Let's give it a submit. Hopefully I didn't miss anything silly. I didn't look at constraints, so I think I messed up here because I didn't look at constraints. For some reason, I just expected to be silly and dumb. So it was going to time limit exceeded because, to be honest, I just didn't look at the constraint and we didn't really talk about it. But the thing is that apparently n could be 10 to the 9, so you have to be a little bit smarter. So you can't just do it one at a time, apparently. Okay. I mean, that's fine. How do I want to do it? Obviously, we can't do it this way because it's 10 to 9. I just didn't look at it. So, man, I'm really tired today. I needed some sleep. I don't want to take a nap because I've been kind of napping too much. And I just want to, you know. But, I mean, it's not that hard. We just kind of, it's just that now we have to change the structure a little bit. Okay, fine. Okay, then maybe something like while n is greater than 0, right? Maybe we do something like this. Right? So while n is 0, 0, this is just to get rid of the beginning of the queue. If length of self.q is greater than 0, we return -1. Otherwise, 1x 0 self.q dot pop left, right? Self.q dot if 1 is greater than n, then we just self.q dot append left run the new one and then x, and then we return x here. Otherwise, n we subtract it by 1, and then we just don't put it back because 1 is already 0, and then we just keep going. I should copy that case. Does it tell me that case if I look at it again? All right. They don't make it like copy pasteable, which is kind of, you know, in the new UI, which is obviously not working. All right, so that went pretty fast and correctly. Yeah, so that looks good. We just I just totally didn't, for some reason I didn't think to look at the thing. I didn't even look at the end, even though it's 1,000, it's okay. And I did look at it afterwards, but I don't know. Some days you're just a little bit tired, I suppose. Though it feels like it's been a lot of days. But yeah, so what's the complexity here, right? We don't even use this code anymore. We could have removed it. Well, depends on what you mean by, but each core, you know, encoding will have 1,000 items, which means that it's 500 items, right? 500 encoded items or whatever. So, yeah, so each one of these will, so each one of the encoding things can only be dequeued once. So it's going to be something like for each next query, it's going to be O of q plus n, right? Time and O of q space, sorry, O of n space for the q. I said q as in the word, and then I confused myself. But yeah, linear space, and then this is just because for each one, even though there's a while loop, you can only pop each one once, right? So yeah, and if it doesn't get popped and it gets put back in, then it ends the query. So in that way, it is going to be O of q plus n, amortized analysis. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I will be, I mean, obviously I'm going to do the daily problem, not afterwards because it's still not, the problem is not released yet, but you know, that I'll see you soon, I suppose. But yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.